Let's just dance again.
My God, walang katumbas.
Yan.
Yan, di ba?
Oo.
Andito na sila eh. Ayan o, super
Eh,
taas.
kung-
Hindi, ganyan lang, ganyan.
Oo, ito
Ayusin mo,
okay.
ayusin mo muna.
I mean, you know what?
Oh,
Just remember
Memory
this.
alone.
Memory. Did you
He's got
ever
a very
see
short
Tito
memory.
Martin and Pops? The Pops lang, wala.
You were not even born.
But did you see them together on
Oh.
Do you even know who Pops is?
Oh
Right,
my
there we
God.
go.
Oh my God. That's so
Alright.
famous here in the Philippines.
No, you're absolutely
good.
right. Right, there we go.
Oh my God. That's so
Alright.
famous here in the Philippines.
No, you're absolutely
good.
right. She's the concert queen.
She is.
Yes.
And the concert king.
There you
Yes,
go.
exactly.
Good thing we have a telephone.
Querido.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Actually, yes.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Actually, yes.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Actually, yes.
Really? You don't know kung sino si Pops Fernandez? Tapos sabi pa ni Ogie, concert king and queen, di mo kilala. Tapos sinabi naman talaga niya, ini-eklay-eklay niyang
Na dapat lang, halimbawa kung may intervene kayo,
mag-research.
alamin nyo, tanongin nyo, pwede nyo tanongin yung writer nyo, tanongin nyo kung sino ba tong sasalang dito. Kasi syempre, ipagpalagay na natin sobra ka pang bata, tapos hindi mo talaga kilala. Pero, it's your responsibility kung sino yung i-guess mo.
True.
Tanungin mo, pwede mong tanungin, writer.
Yeah.
At may phone ka. I-google mo agad. Para naman, respeto naman din dun sa mga tao
Tama.
na...
Hindi, sinasabi daw kasi na itong si Fiang, parang what you see is what you get, o napaka-natural, napaka-totoo. So, sometimes then, hindi natin nalalaman yung boundary ng pagiging totoo, pagiging, dapat,
Pagiging syonga-syonga.
pagiging totoo, pagiging, dapat,
Pagiging syonga-syonga.
Pero kasi ako lang yan, respeto lang po yan sa mga tao katulad na ng mga nakakasama nyo sa showbiz na ang tagal na sa showbiz at marami nang napatunayan.
Yeah.
So,
Actually, may nakagalitan nga dun sa production na yon. Naisulat ko nga yung kahapon na parang may napagsabihan dahil parang hindi nga na-orient properly itong si Fiang. Dahil si Fiang,
Probably,
lagi
oo,
nagtitrending
diba?
daw yan. Eh, hindi rin naman natin kilala kasi,
Hindi
diba?
ko rin kilala yan.
Di ay,
Mayam-
siya
yayayanin.
yung PBB winner.
Teka lang,
Kaya
yan ba yung
nga.
PBB Grand
Hindi,